Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout for Mercy Tiara kits, and I am using the new Cuddle Up kit, which is for October 2024. It is so cute, and it is full of autumn goodness. We have got actually fantastic cardstock kit as well this month. I'm loving these pieces by Cartabella and Echo Park that have like 2 different colors in them. Super useful. But what I want to start with for my first layout this month is using the sketch challenge. So let me get some papers out that I'm interested in. Let me show you the sketch really quickly. And this is in the newsletter. So we've got a nice bold border, kind of a 1/3, 2/3 kind of a vibe. Let's see. Ooh, there's a cute band across here. Maybe another band you can go here. We have washi in our kit. I'm going to do that for the band. I think that would be super cute. And a nice big central bit here. Super fun. Oh, and there's my title. Let me show you my photo. So here's my photo. This is young Theo. So I went to my son's house last week to pet sit for a little bit, and his kitties are Odin and Theo. Now, this surface here is this brand new gorgeous table that my daughter-in-law chose. And they just put it in maybe the week before. It's stunning. And Kitty isn't allowed on the table. So when I came in right away, there he was, having himself a nice little rest on the mat, on the table. And then we have this cute little bowl of pumpkin candle bits in front. I thought it was such a cute picture. So that's what we'll be using for that. Now, the cardstock I'm going to use, it is textured and it is in the color called Chocolate. Yes, by Basil. So now I can get rid of that strip. Now I think I'm going to do a fairly bold border. So let me see. And we have the 1/3, 2/3. So I think I'm going to go, let's see. I'm going to just cut a chunk and see how I like the color of it, or like the size of it. So I'm going to do that. But then I think we'll go, how do we want to go? Let's do 11 1/4 high. Let's do that and see what we think. Oh, do we want it like that? Yeah, I like that. And then the other one, oh guys, I didn't even tell you guys. Oh no, ooh, oh, that would be super cute to do that too. Oh no. Okay, the size, oh, here it is. This is from Echo Park. I didn't tell you. I'm sorry. It's something ends. Oh no. It is Fall Friends. Yes. So I want to bring in this turquoisey color. You know what? I can map the photo in this. That would be really cute. Now this one needs a much smaller piece. So let me go ahead. This one, it's from Maggie Holmes. It is Forever Friends and it's called Serene. And it is just so pretty. So pretty. All right, I'm going to cut a piece. I'm going to go 11 1/4 again with that. I think that will be a nice little size. And then this, we can just we can kind of shimmy it back and forth and see exactly where we like it. So we're going to go ahead and pop that on. Then I will map my photo in. Let's see where the photo goes. Okay. I'm going to map my photo in both of these pieces. I think that would be quite pretty. And then for our washi, these are the 3 washi that I have. And I think they're gorgeous. I think, maybe I'll use the 2 prints to go across. No, I'm going to use this Give Thanks. It's nice and skinny because this looks like a really skinny line, right, going this way. And then there's a thicker one going this way. So let me go ahead and do that. And I'll meet you right back here. So I've got these pieces tacked down. I have everything tacked down except for this right here. I just have a piece of cheapo foam and I wanted to make sure to have that orange background to really pop on my matting. So we have Theo sitting there. I think, what did I find? I think I was gonna do Beloved Theo for my title. So this is kind of busy. I am hoping to find, oh, that's cute. That Thankful's cute. A couple of pieces that I can, stop it, that's cute, that I can stack up to do the title work where it can be, sorry, I'm doing the creating and the brain stopped working, where I can pop on the title so it can really show, because, you know, with all of this fun, busy background, it's harder to see. I'm thinking this, I like those tones together. Ooh, that's super cute too. But I do like the idea of bringing in that yellow. Okay, we can have a cute little blessed because, you know, it's Theo. And we can have happy fall for a few more wordy bits. Okay, I love that. Then I have the 3 pieces here. Perfect. I'm going to get this down. I'm going to get my title down. Then I can get this placement down, which will be great. Then, really at that point, I think I'm going to go into these little treasures. These are the journal. Are these the journal bits? No, I was just in the journal bits. Into the floral bits. And build it out a little bit so that we have like a nice little swing here of treasures. I think that's going to be awesome. So give me a minute. I want to get these things tacked down. I want to get my title down, and then we'll start floofing. So I'm spending a little bit of time just bending up some little pieces, enjoying, I don't know, these colors. Oh, maybe I can get the tape off. The colors are just so warm and cozy and perfect that I am having myself a time just stacking everything up. Now, I'm not necessarily looking to put anything in these holes of my tags, so I'm just kind of building around them and not letting myself worry about it too much. Let's see. Ooh, a nice little teal floral here. Let's see. Maybe up there. So that's going to be that. I'm going to pop those down. Now, guys, the only thing I'm going to have left for this layout, because it came together so quickly, is getting some of this gorgeous confetti mix in, as well as a couple of foam pieces. So let me get these pieces down, a little confetti, and we'll come back and finish up with these gorgeous thickers. Y'all, I decided I want to get my little puffy pieces in before I put my confetti in, because the confetti is great for filling in any little awkward gaps, or actually my favorite thing to do is to create a shaker pocket with them. However, we did not do that this time. Anyway, let me move this over a little bit. I'm getting tremendous glare right there because we actually have blue skies and sun today. It is a near miracle with how things have gone lately. Okay, so let's see. I'm trying to see what all of my pretty little pieces. I'm thinking that a few of, oh my gosh, look at, I had an idea and then I just popped right over when I saw these leaves. I wanted to put some of the little hearts in, but then I saw these gorgeous little leaves that are that same kind of a gorgeous charcoaly gray kind of color. So I have 1, 2. I can put one more right here, I think. Perfect. Okay. Actually, that made me beyond happy. I'm going to throw a few pieces of confetti on here because I always have to. And I use liquid adhesive to do that, by the way. I'm going to go ahead and do that. I will have a few still shots to follow, and I'm going to have links down below where you can get your hands on these kits, where you can subscribe so you miss out on nothing. They've been selling out so quickly, and people will reach out to me and be like, oh, do you know any way I can get my hands on the kits? I'm like, you gotta subscribe because they're gorgeous and people want them just like you do. So let me go ahead. Guys, I had like weeks off of crafting because of life stuff, and my little glue bottle is struggling. And I know I can just clean it out, but who wants to? Okay, I'm gonna have a few still shots to follow, guys, and I will see you ever so soon with another video. But guys, look at how stinking fun that is. I love it. I love all the pieces. I think it's a riot. Okay, I'll see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, friends.